So partisanship was actually associated with them selecting fake news. And here we see a switch of a negative. Well, the goal of the Digital Propaganda Research Center is to give our students the opportunity to conduct content analysis-based research on all of the different digital propaganda streams that are circulating around our information environment today.
Propaganda is affecting our students here on campus, off the campus in the state of Illinois, even the United States, and on a global level here. What happens is when people are spreading certain viewpoints or pieces of information without people critically analyzing those issues or the information being provided to them, they have a hard time understanding what's true from what's false, what's real from what's made up.
This opportunity is going to help set our students up for a new path within our major, opening them up towards research opportunities and digital research type of jobs, which are a growing field.
Well, I've never really looked about what's going on outside of our borders. So now I have a chance to see what's going on outside, like what's going on in China is what I'm looking at. And so now I get a chance to view what's going on in their world and compare what's going on to our world. Now I'm inspired to learn more about it, so for the sake of the research.
Our hope with this project is to purchase and set up the operations center that's going to be comprised of several screens to monitor events, as well as a computer that can collect broadcast and social media data to enable students to analyze that. And then we'll also be conducting several direct research projects, including an Amazon MTurk survey, a research internship, and a trip to the Iowa caucuses where students can interact with caucus goers and collect some survey data there.